Yes, Amol, and then Sunandan sir, and then Rasesh, and K.R. Nair sir.
Uh, Rohit, what is it that changed suddenly? Was it the change in the venue or the fact that there is only one approach now on that you just have to go for it, go for the kill, be with the bat or the ball?
Yeah, to be honest, it's very much that kind of a situation for us. Um, we know that if we lose any game from here on now, we are out of the tournament. So we have to win everything. Uh, and when you are in that kind of situation, you have to play fearlessly, not think too much about what is happening or what is happening elsewhere. So I think the approach today from everyone was different, and I mean, I wish it was in the first two games as well, but it didn't happen. But that can happen when you are on the road for a long time. Decision making sometimes can be a problem, and that is exactly what happened in the first two games. Um, we are a very good team. It's just that we were not good on that particular day, against Pakistan and New Zealand. But yes, today the game we played, it's pretty much sums it up that this is the kind of team we are, and when we play fearlessly, this is what we get.
रोहित, इसी से जुड़ा सवाल है कि इतने साल आप क्रिकेट खेले हो, मेहनत होती है, प्लानिंग होती है, लेकिन कभी क्रिकेट में जो एग्जीक्यूशन है वो होता है, कभी नहीं होता है। ये इसके बारे में आप क्या सोचते हो कि क्यों होता है ऐसे? कभी आपने जिक्र किया है इसका?
नहीं, अभी देखिए जिस तरीके से जितना क्रिकेट हम लोग खेल रहे हैं और जिस तरीके का लाइफ अभी चल रहा है, समटाइम्स थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है बिकॉज एवरी टाइम यू आर ऑन द फील्ड यू हैव टू मेक राइट डिसीजन। हमेशा आप जब ग्राउंड पे जाओगे आपको सही डिसीजन लेना पड़ता है, तो उसके लिए आपका माइंड और मेंटल एस्पेक्ट जो है वो फ्रेश रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं वहाँ पे हमारे से वो डिसीजन मेकिंग जो था वो ठीक से हो नहीं पाया ग्राउंड पर, चाहे वो बैटिंग की आप बात कर लो या बॉलिंग की बात कर लो। तो ये सब चीज़ें होती है जब आप काफ़ी क्रिकेट खेलते हो। एक मेंटली आपको गेम से थोड़ा दूर जाना ज़रूरी है, थोड़ा सा माइंड रिफ़्रेश करना ज़रूरी है। बट अगेन जब आप वर्ल्ड कप खेलते हो आपका पूरा फोकस गेम पे होना चाहिए। आपको ध्यान लगाना चाहिए कि आपको क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है। बट वो पहले दो गेम में हो नहीं पाया, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम सडनली ख़राब प्लेयर हो गए या ख़राब टीम हो गए। कंसिस्टेंटली हमने क्रिकेट अच्छा खेला हुआ है इतने सालों से। तो एक या दो गेम अगर ख़राब होता है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि सारे प्लेयर ख़राब है और सारी टीम ख़राब है, जो टीम को चला रहे वो ख़राब है। समटाइम्स थोड़ा यू हैव टू रिफ्लेक्ट कि क्या हुआ, क्या गलतियाँ हुई, एंड देन यू कम बैक। तो अभी हमने ये मैच में वही किया। जो भी गलतियाँ हमने पिछली दो गेमों में किया था, हमने कोशिश किया कि ये गेमों में ना हो, आने वाले गेमों में ना हो। ग्राउंड पे हम जा ही सकते हैं, हमारे हाथ में यही है कि गलतियां जो है वो कम से कम किया जाए, क्योंकि आप जब गेम खेल रहे हो, इतना प्रेशर वाला गेम खेल रहे हो, गलतियां होंगी, बट कोशिश ये रहती है कि गलती कम हो।
Rohit, a couple of things. How satisfying was it to get as many runs that you got against Rashid Khan as a team, and personally as well, those couple of sixes stepping down against him, just that phase of the match. And secondly, your reactions to BCCI announcing Rahul Dravid as the new head coach, just joining hands with him, looking ahead.
Yeah, I mean, firstly, it was important for us to get off to a good start. If we talk about our batting, which which didn't happen in the first two games, that's where we struggle a little bit to create that momentum in the first 6 overs. So there was a conscious effort. We were talking, myself and KL, we were talking about it that we need to get a team a good start, and how we can do that is by playing our game, whatever that may be, however we want to play. Um, but yeah, we took our chances. Sorry, we took our chances in the middle. It came off. So that's the whole game. I mean, you take your chances. It comes off. It comes off. If it doesn't come off, you have to start again from the scratch. The batter who comes in have to start again from the scratch. And we wanted to take some risk because it was important for us when the power play is going on. You try and make the best use of that, and we took our chances. It came off, and yeah, I would. If it, is it official? Oh, obviously we're playing the game, so I had no idea. Congratulations to him for coming back, but in different capacity in the Indian team. We look forward to working with him. He's a stalwart of Indian cricket, and it'll be nice working with him in the future.
Rohit, is it an answer to that the batting first or the pitch doesn't play a role in a positive approach? Do you think so?
I mean, see, when you post a total like that, you can take the pitch, the conditions, the dew factor out of the play. If you bat like that, if you keep getting consistently 200, which is a very, very challenging one to do. In Dubai, I mean, we've seen the teams who have batted first have not scored as many runs as they would like to. But definitely dew plays a big part in the second innings. The ball tends to come nicely compared to what happens in the first inning. It just grips a little more because of the dryness in the pitch. But it's definitely a factor and an advantage to the team batting second. But as long as we keep batting like that, we get 200. We don't have to worry about the pitch and the conditions.
Please introduce yourself before you ask a question.
Hi Rohit, this is Deva from Cricinfo. Some IPL players sort of play different roles for their IPL side. So did the team sort of need a little bit of extra time to sort of ease into their roles with this team going ahead to the World Cup?
Not really, to be honest. I mean, all these guys. If I look at the top 6-7 batter, myself, KL, Virat, Pant, Surya, Hardik, and then Jaddu. These guys have been playing for a long time, so they don't need to be told what they need to do in the Indian team. What they do for their franchisee is their lookout, but when they come here, they know the role. It's not that they're playing the first game or the second game for the team. They've been here for a long time now, so they understand their roles, what they need to do, what they do for their franchisees. Really not my concern. What they do here at the moment is my concern, and we've laid out the role pretty clearly as to what they have to do when they go out in the middle. This 7 batters that I took names of, we've been batting consistently for a long period of time now, and nobody needs to told what they need to do when they go to bat. It's pretty simple. These guys are all experienced, and when you have experience in the team, it's just about going and adapting to the situation as quickly as possible.
रोहित शाकिर अब्बासी है, इस्लामाबाद बेस्ड जर्नलिस्ट। मैं पूछना ये चाह रहा हूँ आपसे कि क्या आज की इनिंग्स से हिटमैन वापस आ गया, उसका मोमेंटम उससे मिल गया, और इंडियन टीम को कितना इससे फ़ायदा हुआ, और साथ ही जो फैंस हैं दोनों जानिब, एक और इंडिया पाकिस्तान टाकरे के सोच रहे थे फाइनल में, तो क्या इंडियन टीम ये पैगाम दे रही है अपनी फॉर्म वापस आने से कि उन्हें अब ये सोचना चाहिए दोबारा से?
देखिए, अब मेरी फॉर्म की आपने बात की, मुझे अच्छा लगा आज बैटिंग करके। हमारे लिए ऊपर के जो बैट्समैन हैं उनका रन बनना बहुत ज़रूरी था, तो बड़ी खुशी हो रही है कि मेरे साथ केएल राहुल, उन्होंने अच्छी पारी खेली। वो ओपनिंग पार्टनरशिप जो थी बहुत क्रूशल थी हमारे टीम के लिए। तो ऊपर के 3 बैट्समैन 4 बैट्समैन अगर फॉर्म में रहते तो क्योंकि ज़्यादा बॉल्स वो ऊपर के 4 बैट्समैन खेलते तो उनका फॉर्म में रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि हमारे 4-5 बैट्समैन अच्छे फॉर्म में है ऊपर के, इसीलिए पहले 2 गेम में वो कंसिस्टेंसी बैट्समैन से हो नहीं पाई, सारे बैट्समैन आउट हो गए। बट आज हमारे लिए अच्छा मौका था रन बनाने का, और सारे बैट्समैन ने अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूट किया। और जहाँ तक आप फाइनल की बात कर रहे हैं, हमारे लिए अभी वो रास्ता काफ़ी दूर है। अफ़गानिस्तान और न्यूजीलैंड के बीच में हमारा मुकाबला होगा कि कौन मैच जीते, कौन हारे, और हमारे लिए भी चैलेंजिंग होगा दोनों मैच जीतना। तो हम फ़िलहाल इतना दूर का नहीं सोच सकते। हमें सोचना है कि हमारा जो नेक्स्ट मैच है उसके बारे में, और उसके पहले अफ़गानिस्तान और न्यूजीलैंड का मैच है, तो वो हमारे लिए काफ़ी क्रूशल मैच होगा। हम नहीं खेल रहे बट हमारे लिए फिर भी क्रूशल मैच होगा। फिर उसके बाद हमारी मैच है, तो अभी रास्ता काफ़ी दूर है फाइनल का।
Hi Rohit, Shubhayan Chakravarti from TV9. Rohit, congratulations on the win. First of all, a word on Ravichandran Ashwin's inclusion today. He bowled a terrific spell. He was coming into the T20I side after 2017. So what sort of conversation did you have with him when he was not playing in the England tour or now in the T20 World Cup? And another thing, how different was this pitch different to the to the Dubai pitch?
I mean, the conversation with me and Ashwin through the UK tour was about where we should take our kids, which park we should take them. It was nothing about cricket, to be honest. We were only discussing, he's got two beautiful daughters. I've got a daughter as well. So we were only discussing which theme park we should be going to during our off time. But see, I mean, you saw his quality today. He's a quality bowler without a doubt. He's played so much cricket now and taken so many wickets. Obviously, playing for India in limited overs. He also knows that it was a challenge for him because he was playing after 3 or 4 years. But he was playing IPL consistently and he was bowling really well. And he's someone who's a wicket-taking option. Anytime you give him the ball, he comes to take wickets. He's not there to survive or just to bowl his 6 balls and get away. He's always looking to take wickets, and when you have someone like him in the squad, in playing 11, it gives that advantage. That you have someone in the middle who can take wickets, and that's the quality of him. He understands his bowling really well, and has bowled really well in IPL. He's coming off from a good form as well, so I'm glad that he could contribute to our success today. And I hope he can do the same in the next few games that we play as well.
How different was this pitch?
I mean, pitch was pretty much what we played in IPL. I mean, see, honestly, the pitch here doesn't change too much. Just the dew factor when it comes on just gets slightly better to bat in the second innings. That's my reading about the pitch, even in Dubai. When you bat first, it's slightly holding on to the pitch, slightly too pace, I would say. And then when you bat second, it's just nice and easy. With the dew, it comes on nicely. You can just, pick your shots and play it. Thank you, guys.